Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to demonstrate a question in which, according to the information given, we use the data to construct the electrochemical series. So, according to this question, this is very typical questions. So, and here is the tendence of being reduced of 5 ionic species, increase in the order as shown below. Okay, according to the questions, based on the above information. So now we are going to predict or to predict whether each of the following statement is correct or not. So A, sodium is a stronger reducing agent than mercury. So remember, here is sodium and here is mercury. They are a bit different for this one, okay, for their ion. But according to the ion, we can use this data to construct the electrochemical series. And first of all, let us write down the first chemical species in the electrochemical series. Still remember, and here's the equilibrium. And lithium is on the right hand side, and lithium ion is on the left hand side, right? So I hope all of you could still remember. And the chemical species on the left hand side here, going down here, and here is the oxidizing agent. Going up right hand side is the strong reducing agent, right? And according to the questions mentioned, and here's the tendency of the chemical species being reduced, their tendency. So the ability to be reduced or their tendency to undergo reduction, and the stronger is the mercury 2 plus. So I write down here stronger oxidizing agent because they are. It means that they could be easy to be reduced, because being reduced means their oxidation number will decrease. So it means that they could get the electron, the oxidation number for this from 2 to 0, right? So we could construct the mercury is right here. And the next one is the Cu. Next one is H. Next one is Ni. And next one is Na. So at this moment, I think that we could be able, because according to the statement, the ability being reduced, and here's the tendency, the higher tendency should be on the lower position of on the left hand side of the electrochemical series. So we could conclude that mercury 2 ion is a stronger oxidizing agent than that of copper and so on. In other words, their tendency to be reduced is stronger. Okay, so I hope all of you could familiarize with this statement. And now let us to construct 2, and then okay, I'm sorry about that. I forget to write down the nickel 2 ion. And here's nickel. And this one is the sodium, right? So at this moment, I think we could conclude, we could fully construct the electrochemical series. The left hand side is the stronger oxidizing agent, and the right hand side of the electrochemical series is the stronger reducing agent, right? So at this moment, I think we could construct this electrochemical series, and then right now let's have a look at the answer. And I think that we could construct this electrochemical series, right? And then we could know that, okay, Na is stronger reducing agent than mercury because we construct, we know that sodium compared with mercury, so I think we could construct like this one and this one, okay. Okay, so after we can construct the electrochemical series, we could have a look at this series, and we could answer the questions by using the information from this electrochemical series. And the first one, sodium is stronger reducing agent than mercury, and according to our information, we already construct the electrochemical series, so we can use by using the information here to answer our question. First of all, from a part A, sodium is a stronger reducing agent than mercury, and according to our electrochemical series, sodium compared with mercury, this one is higher. So according to the wording of the marking scheme, it mentioned that from the information we can deduce that mercury to iron has the strongest oxidation power, while sodium ion has the weakest oxidizing power. So we can conclude that sodium. So the wording may be a little bit weird for all of you, but I think you could just have a look, just mention the information given by your electrochemical series. It is acceptable. And for the second part, mercury and the copper 2 ion, right? And mercury, from the liquid ion, from the liquid ion,